Why, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today we have a flip through of the Color and Grow, a whimsical coloring book with growth mindset affirmations. And this is the adult version of the Color and Grow for boys and girls coloring book that I showed you earlier on my channel from Esther Pia Cordova. And the illustrations are by Maria Elisarova. And I was generously sent this book for a flip through and review to help the author and illustrator get their books out there. So guys, if you're interested in seeing this book flipped through, then stay tuned. All right, guys, so here we go. Beautiful cover here, and we see the back are some colored images of some of the illustrations in the side of the book. And we turn to our first page here. And it tells us when the book was first printed and some illustration, copyright information, and so forth. And it tells you the illustrator and the author. And then here is the "This Book Belongs To" page, or the nameplate page. And they again try to encourage all of us to give them a 5-star rating on Amazon. They would appreciate that so much. It really helps them get their books out there. So on this page to the left, you can test your materials here. And on this page, we have a lovely, lovely letter, guys, from the author. She took the time out to let us know about her childhood, why she created this book, why it will reduce stress and anxiety levels and help you to stay with positive thoughts and have positive growth in your life so you can grow to be a better person, a better adult. What better way to do that than with coloring, okay? All right, let's move on. Oh, she also gives you a hashtag that when you color one of these pages, you can hashtag her so she can see it, and also where you can reach her on Facebook. So guys, the first image is this one, and as for the paper, it's just like the Jade Summer books paper. You have the black on the back side of the paper. Even if you're going to use markers, always use you a blotter page on the other side of your page. And it's very similar to the child version. Well, I don't call the other version that she has a child version. I actually call that version just a more simplistic version, which a lot of times that's what we're looking for. But then as an adult, sometimes we want something that's a little more advanced and a little bit more challenging, maybe is the word, or intricate. So that's what you get when you get this version of the book. You get more intricate details and more patterns. So if you're into the like Zen doodle type coloring with like a lot of patterns and leaves and circles and shapes, then you will absolutely love this book. Love, 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 love it. Now, this is a page that I really love because I like pages that I can like put my own spin to. So I can see myself doing some type of really neat background on this page and just coloring that moon in like some sparkly glitter stickles or glitter gel pens or something. And this one is kind of like a mandala style. So I'm getting more into the mandalas now. So that one I will probably gravitate towards coloring first. But hopefully I will get to every last one of these pages and color each and every one of them. I am a problem solver. Yes. The affirmations in here are really, really cute and inspiring. They really help you to see that it's not always young children who have, issues with dealing with self-worth and positive mindsets. We adults also really, really have a hard time, especially during these times where we have so much going on in the world. We really, 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 really need that, that little something to really just make our day. So that is the end of the book for the most part. You have part 2 that says embrace imperfections and strive for improvement. Now, I finally, after I read this little sentence in the other book, I finally realized what that means. That means you're getting the images for a second time. And if you feel like you messed up on this side of the pages or on this side of the book, you get a second chance. So you're going to embrace those mistakes, those imperfections that you made in the first half of the book, and you're going to strive to improve those images on this side of the book. Okay? So they have really done a beautiful job in, thinking about the colorist or the person that's going to be utilizing this book. They really did a good job in thinking about us and how they can really, really just kind of encourage us to do the best we can and live the best life. So the last page here shows you that there were some contest winners and she has named them. And again, she says that 5-star review on Amazon will be highly, highly, highly appreciated. And then you have a blank page here with the barcode. And that is it, guys. So apparently these are the people who won the contest. They're on the back of the book. Wow. That's nice. Very nice. All right, guys. So that is the Color and Grow coloring book for adults. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you will join me on the next episode. Come back and visit us again over here at Dollar Diva Coloring World. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day, guys. Don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoy adult coloring. Just like the video, and that will mean the world to me. All right, guys, have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the day. And as always, happy coloring. Bye.